Okay, what do we have today?
When I'm really hungry, I double stack a burger. It fills me up and then fills me with regret. If you've got an application that's really data hungry, you can use the Amphenol FCI Basics BergStak FX10 connectors. They support data rates up to 15 gigabits per second or even higher, satisfying your appetite for data without any regret. The BergStak FX10 is a board-to-board connector with 144 positions on a 0.5mm pitch, providing high-speed transmission in next-generation high-density applications. Two header versions are available, providing 4.30 and 6.00mm stack heights. The connectors also have a hold-down feature to secure the connection against shock and vibration. The high speed, high density, and robustness make Amphenol's BergStak FX10 ideal for automotive, data, medical, communications, and industrial applications.